Hi everyone. In this quick video we're going to demonstrate how you can enable and use the volume boost function on a Panasonic TGM4 and 450 series telephone. So first thing we're going to do is, by using a separate phone, just simulate a phone call into that one by using the intercom function. So I'm just going to go into the menu, select intercom, confirm, and then select handset number 1, which is this handset here. Okay, just gonna set that aside. What you can see already is that you can change the volume of the ringer by pressing the up and down keys, but that's not what the volume boost actually does. So to use the volume boost, you have to pick up the phone, and once you are on the phone call, again, like before, you can still use these plus and minus keys to increase the volume. So let's see what happens if we do that. So you can see now I actually can go up to 15. But let's say that I'm actually having trouble hearing the caller. And in that case, I can use the volume boost. And to enable that, whilst on the phone, again, I can see here, I'm still connected. I press this volume boost key down here. And now, when we use the same buttons on the side, you will see that this can now go all the way up to 40. This will make it a lot louder. Okay, you can disable this again by pressing the key, or you can leave it on. For now, I'm just going to disable it, which will go back to 15, and then end the call. All right, thanks for watching. Hope this helps, and we'll see you in the next one.